Hey guys, it's me, Leanne, today. Well, I think I'm going to show you. Okay. Whoa. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. I'm going to show you this new game called Avatar Cats. Random Avatar. I see a cat crying, another cat crying. Okay, I want to make weird avatars. Okay. Okay. Now that looks creepy. Okay. Wah. Let me just change the background. That's the evil cat. I'm just going to make it like a normal cat. Can't. Make it a normal cat, and then I want to see the backgrounds. What do you have to go on here? I mean, what do you have to go on here? I mean, you have a deer up here. I mean, I don't want you to have a deer up here. Okay. I need to make it clear. Like a good, like, I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay. Backgrounds. Okay, I want to see the backgrounds. First background. Second background. Third background. Fourth background. 5 background. 6 background. 7 background. 8 background. 9 background. 10 background. 11 background. 12 background. 13 background. And millions of backgrounds I don't even know about. Okay. Hey, can I change the color of the background? Yeah. Beep. Ooh, is this Warrior Cats? Oh my God! Thunder Clan, Wind Clan. I mean, River Clan, Wind Clan, and Shadow Clan. I'm surprised they have these. You just don't know. I like Warrior Cats. I guess it's surprising to me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.